guys. How's everybody doing today? How's everybody doing? Just wanted to run the camera a little bit for you guys. This is the one-story cabin we call the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. It's got the black board and batten metal siding on it. A lot of you guys are always interested in seeing what the different exterior options can be if you don't want like the D-log siding look like this cabin here. Y'all like to know what some of your other options are, and one of your options is obviously the board and batten metal siding. As you can see, we can still do some rustic aesthetics with it, with the pine and the little pine wood aesthetics on the front. You see the railings and everything done in the southern yellow pine, but obviously it's got that black metal siding. A lot of people like this board and batten metal because it's a very low maintenance product. There's 20 different colors you can choose from. Obviously, all our cabins have the 26 gauge metal roof. There you got big Bertha 1.0. Beautiful day out here in Indiana. And then I am standing on the porch of the big Bertha 3.0, which we're getting ready to walk into. So just running the camera for y'all a little bit today. Just yapping. Kind of showing you what some of the things we got on the lot are. Let me walk out here. Sun is shining real bright, but let me try to get this angle of the big Bertha 1.0 where the sun's not so bright. Let's see if I can get the angle here. So there's the 1.0. Got the screened in porch on it. And then you got the 3.0, the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0, and the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. Got the Villa ADU cottage, the shipping container home over there, and the carrot top. So that's what we got on the lot right now. Let's go inside the big Bertha 3.0 and do a little chatting in there. So when you walk in, oh, it's nice and cozy in here. It's about 50 degrees out there, so it's a little bit, it's sunny, but it's cold. So when I walked in here, it's nice and warm and toasty. So when you walk inside the 3.0, as you can see, you got your little living room over there. And then over here, you've got your downstairs bedroom. Super cozy. That's a queen size bed. Of course, you've got your double pane window. All kinds of natural light coming in. You got your beautiful knotty pine walls. Remember, these already got electric in them in the walls. So you got all your electric right there, right there, right there. You got your 200 amp electrical panel. By the way, guys, if you guys aren't following my content, make sure you hit the like, share, and follow button on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all of that jazz. That way you guys don't miss any of my future episodes. This door right here, you could turn it into a closet, or what we did here is, let me show you. We got it set up as a full-blown master bedroom, bathroom ensuite here. So that way, right in your bedroom, you got the convenience of having a full bathroom inside of it. And you see your light switches. You got some extra cabinet space here. One of the things, like I said, you all always notice, hold on before I keep yapping, check out the pocket door here. So one of the things you guys always notice in my videos is everybody always asks where the closets are in the bedrooms. Well, remember, this is just a sales lot model. So we didn't put the closets, obviously, we didn't do this one all the way out because, again, this is just a sales lot model. Now, when you order yours, you'll go through the design phase where you get to customize the cabin and let us know where you want what. For example, like I said, this one's got a bathroom in it, but maybe you don't want a bathroom. Maybe you want that to be a closet. Or maybe you don't want a closet there either. You want to make it just a much bigger bedroom and you want to put a closet out here somewhere, right? So that prerogative is your prerogative. Whenever you design your cabin, you can let us know how you want us to do it. Again, Another thing I like to point out is a lot of people are always like, well, what if I don't want all that pine? You know, well, you got pine on the ceiling, you got pine on the walls. Well, as you can see, we got a white accent wall here for that exact reason. One here and one here behind the kitchen. And we did that just to show you guys we can break up the pine. We can do accent walls, or if you wanted this whole cabin to have white like that, white birch walls, we could do that as well. So you're not stuck to getting the pine look on your home. You can mix it up a little bit, okay? So just keep that in mind. That's why I had the Amish design this cabin with a couple of white walls, just to show you all that there is that option to, you know, do white walls instead of pine if that's what you wish to do. So you could do all pine, you could do all white walls, or a combination of both, like what we got going on over here. Okay, so just keep that in mind. That takes you upstairs to your second floor. Remember, these railings right here can come out if you got some furniture you need to move up. Underneath the stairs right here is your water heater. Okay, you got a 40-gallon water heater here. There's your blues and reds up there and your electrical wire. Again, you have the option of a 40-gallon water heater, which is included in the price, or you can go with the on-demand tankless water heater if that's what you would prefer. Okay. Before I get to yapping, there's also a little, like, I call them like doggy door right here under the steps. The Amish wanted to make sure there was no space wasted, so that's like a little storage area. We just got some log. Yeah, what have we got in there? Nothing. Okay, yeah, I thought we cleaned it out, but yeah, just like a little storage space underneath there. You know, there you go. And then there's like a little nook here where you can put maybe a little dining room set right over there where everybody can eat. And then going back, you got this full long kitchen area. Okay, first you got a little window here. You got a full kitchen. All your appliances are included. So stove, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher is all included when you purchase a cabin from us. Now, of course, if you have your own appliances already, that's not a big deal. We can subtract that off of the price. And, you know, and then that way, if you've got appliances, then no big deal, right? You don't have to get the appliances with it. But most people that order the cabin, like, yep, we want to start fresh, we want to start new, include the appliances, and we'll bring you beautiful new appliances to go with your beautiful new cabin. Okay, you got them beautiful knotty pine. Okay, all kinds of cabinets here, right? There's your dishwasher. Behind me, we got one of these mini fridges, you know, the smaller ones. But again, that's just because this is a model. Obviously, the space is big enough where you can put a big fridge if you want to. Over here, you got like a little pantry for your kitchen essentials. So there's your little pantry for your kitchen essentials. Downstairs here, over this way, you got, again, your pocket doors for privacy. Right over here. Let me step back so you can see it. Got your pocket doors. And then straight ahead, you got your electrical outlets. And you got space here for a stackable washer and dryer. Okay, so you got your dryer plug at the bottom, washer here at the top, hot and cold. Really generous size bathroom. Again, just like the other bathroom, we got these walk-in showers, but if you want, we can do tubs. So keep that in mind. We just do a lot of walk-in showers like this because a lot of our customers are older, and a lot of, you get a little older, one of your biggest fears is falling trying to get out of the tub. So a lot of our customers like this kind of walk-in shower setup. That way you can sit down and wash your toes, or the females can shave their legs and all that on that nice little chair in the tub. Very convenient. And yeah, super cool. You know what I'm saying? Again, if you want a tub, we can do it. There's your commode, LVP floors, knotty pine. Over here, you got a bathroom closet. Again, for all your bathroom essentials, very generous size there. Let's keep going. And this is what it looks like. Again, there's your front door out to the porch, and there is your back door.